Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell from the title, yes, I finally got round to actually fitting the K-brace into the car. So I got my K-brace from BAF Motorsport, and they do make K-braces for many makes and models and also in a variety of colours. So I opted for the unpainted version just because I wanted the K-brace to actually match the colour of the car. So I want to say a huge thank you to Steve from Hydromania for colour matching the K-brace. But yeah, if you're interested in getting a K-brace for your car, I'll leave a link in the description to BAF Motorsport's website and go and check it out. So without further ado, let's jump into it and let's get the K-brace fitted. Okay, so first I'm going to put the seats down, remove the parcel shelf and remove the map from the boot. Using a tape measure and a Stanley knife, making an incision into the carpet around 1 1/4 inch down, 1 inch in and then 2 inches across. To gain access to the top mounting point of the K-brace, just simply pull back the carpet. So this is the hole that we need to use for the top of the K-brace, and this is the hole that we need to use for the bottom. So just while we're unscrewing the bottom part, it would be easier if we were to put the seat up so that you can get more to it, because obviously can't really get to it there, but with the seat up, you can. And now for the other side. And there we have it. Both screws out. Okay, so now that I've got the K-brace in, I'm just going to lightly screw in the bolts that we took out before into the bottom part, and then we'll start on the top. A lot of faffing about, we managed to give the carpets enough slack in order to get the top of the K-brace into the incision that we made earlier, along with the other side, and we've done the other side, so now we're going to do this side. Then using the nuts and bolts that came in the fixings kit, insert the bolt into the top mounting point and add the nut to secure. Then lastly, using a 17mm socket attached to a ratchet on the top and then a 15mm spanner on the bottom, using the ratchet, tighten the bolt to make it extra secure. And then you should have something that looks like this. And then going back to the bottom, using a Torx 50, tighten the bolts. Need to somehow put all of this back.
I don't think it's going to go in.
You don't think it is?
No.
That's not.
Few moments later.
here's the final product. So as you saw before, it is a case of cutting the boot mat on both sides, as the K-brace is in the way for the boot mat to actually line up. So this is optional, but for me, I'd rather cut it and make sure everything's flush. And as you can see, the measurements for the insertion that I quoted at the start of the video were more than enough. So yeah guys, that is now the K-brace all fitted, and I'm just out on a little drive which I was going to bring you guys along until Mother Nature has decided to rain on me. So I can't get any footage. However, I've been testing it out over the past couple of days, and I can honestly say that the K-brace paired with the coilovers has not made a difference. The handling of my car now is absolutely phenomenal. I'd recommend to you guys to go and buy one. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and let me know what you think in the comments about the K-brace, or if you've got any questions about the K-brace, then leave them down below. And if you want to see any future content from me, then subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.